Dear student, very warm good morning all of you. Exercise 3.4, that is a probability. This is a part of the statistics also in these classes. Tell whether the following the certain to happen, impossible, can happen but not certain. First part, you are older today than yesterday. Yes, certain to happen, certain to happen. Okay, and then second is a toss coin will land head up, can happen, not certain, can happen, it can become, can happen, not certain, not certain, it means it can become or not. Third part, solution. Third part, a die when tossed shall land up with 8 on top, impossible, impossible, because a dice has not 8. Fourth part, that the next traffic light seen will be green, can happen, not certain, can happen, it means can be green, not certain means it's not clear to green. Fifth part, solution. Tomorrow will be a cloudy day, can be cloudy day, can be happen, can happen, not certain. Okay, question number 2. There is also part. There are 6 marbles in a box with number from 1 to 6 marks on each of them. What is the probability of drawing a marble with number 2? 2 is only one time and total is 6. Second, solution. What is the probability of drawing a marble with number 5? 5 is also one marble and then total marble is 6. Third question. A coin is flipped to decide which team starts to game. What is the probability that your team will start? It means one head or one tail is there, so 1, and one head one tail 2 thing is there, so that will be 2. These are the answers. Okay.